Okay, let's get into it. We've been digging into the sources on this product, the Cosmody LumiBoard. It's an LED drawing board for kids.
Right. And on the surface, it looks great. Screen-free, creative, USB-powered. The marketing is really slick.
It is. The ads make it look like the perfect gift. But our mission today is to go deeper and figure out if this whole thing is legit or if it's, well, basically a scam.
And as soon as we look past the shiny website, the initial good impression just sort of fell apart fast.
So where did you start? What was the first crack you found?
We went straight for the fine print, the place nobody ever looks, the terms of service.
Ah, the TS.
And what we found was, it was wild. The company explicitly states that they do not guarantee the product's quality.
Wait, what? They don't guarantee the quality of a product they're selling.
Not just the quality, they also don't guarantee its accuracy, that they'll correct any errors, or that the results you get from it will be reliable.
That feels like more than just standard legal boilerplate. For a children's product, that sounds like a massive red flag.
It's definitely heavier. It's basically them saying, we are not willing to stand behind what we sell. And the problems with authenticity, they didn't stop there.
Okay, so what else?
The marketing itself. We found that the promotional videos, all the little clips, they appear to be copied directly from another older website.
Copied.
Yeah, a site called My Lumi Kids, which was registered way back in December of 2024. If your product is so great, why are you lifting someone else's content?
So the legal disclaimer is alarming, and the marketing isn't even their own. Let's talk about the seller.
Yeah.
Who is Cosmety?
That's the thing. We try to find out. The logistics are incredibly vague. The only contact information is an email address.
No phone number. No physical address.
Nothing. And on top of that, the website domain is brand new. It was just registered on September 27th, 2025.
Now, a new site isn't always a bad thing on its own, but you combine that with zero contact info. The risk for the buyer definitely goes up.
It absolutely does. And this is where all the clues come together and point directly at the business model. It's the price.
Right. Cosmety sells the LumiBoard for $35.
$35, yes. But we found what looks like the exact same LED drawing boards all over wholesale sites like Alibaba.
And the price there?
$3 to $6.
3 to 6. That's a massive gap. Does that automatically mean it's a drop shipping operation?
In this context.
Right.
With the new site, the vague contacts, the copied content.
Yes.
Yes, it's a classic drop shipping model. It's a dead giveaway.
So they take your $35, then they turn around and pay $6 to have it shipped to you from a factory somewhere.
And pocket the difference.
Exactly.
You could literally buy 10 of these things for what they're charging for one.
That is a brutal reality check. Okay, so let's sum this up for everyone listening. What does this all mean?
Well, we're not calling it a 100% confirmed scam because you'll probably receive a drawing board in the mail.
Right.
But you are buying from a company with no real contact info that uses copied marketing and that has a legal disclaimer saying they don't guarantee product quality.
And they're charging an enormous markup. The whole thing just screams buyer beware.
Right. And since our review was really about the seller, not the product itself, let's leave you with a final thought on this.
Go for it.
The next time you see that must-have gadget pop up in your social media feed, just remember that $3 to $6 Alibaba baseline. And ask yourself, is the convenience of that $35 click really worth 1,000% markup? Keep that question in your back pocket when you shop online.